My love affair with Andy Warhol really started once I found those negatives.
Art is what you can get away with.
Art has always been a philanthropic endeavor.
Artists are involved in moving the needle.
Is that art? You know, it's a big question.
Karen did a portfolio of these different photographs.
It's like the inner child of him was coming out in those photographs.
The pictures that she took of him, I remember seeing him, and Andy said, "Oh, they're just the best pictures."
I didn't see the typical Andy in those photographs.
That's what makes a very good photographer, that gets something memorable.
Andy, to me, is the perfect artist to be talking about at this time.
He understood very clearly the importance and the power of notoriety.
He would have been having an Instagram. He would have been best friends with Justin Bieber.
He was able to set the tone for a generation to come.
People look at him as being pop culture, like he was honing in on the time then, but I think he was honing in on what's happening now.
Karen has gone out, she's found other artists, she's developed a community.
She is somebody that has great creative energy.
She has an ability to get people to create with her.
We've been building toward this month-long